Today we'll be unboxing the Kyosho MB010S Inferno MP9 TKI3 Ready Set. This is a ready-to-run 1/28 scale buggy from the Kyosho Mini Z line. I've been debating on picking one of these up for some time now and was luckily able to pick one up from my local hobby shop. At the time of this video, these kits retail for $189.99 US or $249.99 Canadian. I've always been a fan of the Kyosho products. I've owned multiple Mini Zs in the past, but none of which had the 2.4 GHz technology that this does. I've always been a fan of the attention to detail they put into their cars. And to note, this isn't your standard big box store RC. These are hobby grade remote control cars. You can tell by the components they use as well as the overall build quality of the car. This kit includes almost everything you need to run the car. First, we have the manual for the kit. Next, we have a bag of accessories, which we'll get to later. And finally, we have the receiver. Taking a look at the receiver that is included in this car, it is the KT531P. This is a 2.4 GHz receiver that is made out of plastic. I do wish this receiver was a bit higher quality, as the plastic feels a bit thin compared to previous models. Let's take a look at what we have in this bag of accessories. First, we have some shock oil. Next, we have some extra spur gears and pinion gears, as well as some wrenches to work on the car. We also have some suspension spacers, optional nose for the body, and finally some pylons. The receiver has knobs to dial in the steering and throttle of the car. Also, the power switch can be found on the back side of the receiver. The car's body is held into place with a clip at the back end of the car. In order to properly secure the body to the car, the front end of the body will need to slide under the plastic piece on the front of the car, and then followed by the clip in the back. Most Mini Z bodies are made of a hard plastic, but on the MP9 version of the Mini Z, the body is made of Lexan, which is similar to what is found on the majority of hobby-grade RC cars. Both the car and the receiver require 4 AAA batteries. I highly recommend purchasing rechargeable batteries for the car, as using regular batteries could become expensive over time. Under the car, you will also find the on and off switch. Keep note that this needs to be turned on after you power on your receiver. The steering and throttle on this car are very responsive. The steering feels similar to what you would find on a larger scale RC. This car also has forward, reverse, and brakes, and is powered by a brushed motor, which is more than enough power. Let's try this car. Right out of the box, the car is set to training mode. Training mode reduces the speed and steering of the car to make it easier to handle. To take the car out of training mode, simply hold the trigger down and turn on the receiver. Hold the trigger for about 3 seconds and the car should be out of training mode. Overall, the Kyosho MP9 Mini Z is a great car for those of you who are looking to get a quality small-scale RC. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, be safe, and take care.